Previously on Escape.
Awilo, Dorete Awilo, Beta Ato, Dorete Awilo, Beta Ato, Dorete Awilo, we are better.
Want to search this room?
Why? Now that's the same guy defined.
Yes, no.
We forget to tell you. See, the guy don't come back. We forget. No.
But
Things keep our mind.
we came here before. You guys say he has gone. So how come we came back here?
Just that it just keep our mind. I believe do something. Just when don't come back, don't come back.
Excuse us.
You fine? Fine. Are you okay?
Officer, it's okay now. It's okay.
Are you sure?
It's okay now. It's okay. You don't go by son. You don't even see what's in our center.
After we will come, we will forget.
You said they go. Thank you.
Come back now.
Are you sure you are okay?
It's okay. Officer, it's okay.
No,
They go.
Olopa. Nothing to do. We understand. You guys are working. Finally, we don't free. We don't free. I bet what the essential for now. Don't forget say today. No mind who did. Guy, you are letting it to you. You need to. What's happening today? I want to discharge out. You be easy. They talk about food. See, they talk. See, if you talk about food again, I will break your head. What's the problem? I will break your head. You need to mind as I food. We never solve the issue here. They talk about food and we really talk about things.
Dorete Awilo, Beta Ato, Dorete Awilo, Beta Ato, Dorete Awilo, we are better Ato, Dorete Awilo, Beta Ato. You know that I'm a Borona better no better you know that I'm a Borona better no what you Dorete Awilo. Better person, we are doing it. We know better person, we are doing it. We know do it. And we know, we are doing it. We know, yeah.
Do something. If not, then go carry me join those people. I don't hear you. I beg, do something. Do something. I beg. Food. You tell them that for self. Woman is hungry. I need fried rice and chicken. I beg one cold here. We keep it going. No matter how we dig the house, we need fried rice and chicken. Don't be talking like that now. Make the microwave and make hot. Hello? Kitchen. As I beg, like you guys have fried rice and chicken. Fried rice and chicken. Small salad. With small salad. Could be here. Now, anything. Just fried rice and chicken there with salad. Could be here. Just bring 2 minutes and come. Yes. 2 plates, yes. Then 2 soft drinks. Then will be 2 bottles water. Yeah, sure. I don't know why you don't behave like that. You don't like to get again. You move on the next situation worse again. You know they use your head. For this kind of situation, they drink beer. You say you're hungry, you want drink beer. So drink your piece. What they share for me? I don't hear it.
Officer, I think we need to go back and search that room. That guy is not looking okay. I think he's
You're on point. Madam.
Sir.
It's true. It's not looking good. Let's go back and search you.
Oh, thank God, food is here. Open door for my food. My food is here. I beg, let me eat, I beg. Let me eat food, I beg. No, we don't find solution now. My God. Open door and bring food for me.
Want to search the shoe now? Sergeant, search the shoe.
As a sergeant, search. Nothing happen now. How can they calm down now? Officer, nothing there. Wetin una dey find like this?
Search everywhere.
Officer, nothing there. Nothing happen like this now.
Search.
Officer, who can they calm down now?
Sergeant, go to the bathroom and toilet. Fast, go to the bathroom and toilet.
Wait, officer. Officer, wait now.
I said go to the bathroom and toilet.
Listen to us. Officer, calm down now.
You are pushing officer.
Go to the bathroom and toilet.
Officer, you don't check the room now. Nothing there. You don't check the room.
You know that I'm